Situations where you plant something and turns out it's in the wrong spot, or it just doesn't do that well. So this is Geranium Rozanne. It is tolerant of a shady position, but not this shady. So we've now got the tree has grown, plus neighbours put an extension on, so this border's become more shady than it used to. Last year, whilst the plant grew, it ended up literally like spilling out, where you can still see where it's spilled out. So it spilled out a couple of foot and killed off the grass, so that's why that little hoop's there. So what I'm going to do, lift the geranium, and at the same time I'm going to divide it, and I'll show you how to do that. So at this stage, going with the border fork. Explained reason why previously, but just find it easier, puts up less resistance to obviously going in the ground, so easier to dig. It tends to do less damage as well, but anyway, going with the border fork, you can see that the geranium is just coming out into leaf, so yeah, you've still got time on your hands to do it. We're just at the back end of March, so perfectly fine still, and to be honest, as long as the weather's all right and you keep the plants on the moist side, you can still sort of divide and propagate, or divide the plant up until kind of about the end of April. So anyway, gonna just sort of work around with a fork, just gently levering. Sounds like neighbours are using the mower, so it's not too bad. It's only shallow rooting. Just work your way around. So if you go from all sides, and you know you're going to kind of tease it easily, just get underneath and pull it out. So again, like with most perennials, if you just give it a little bit of a shake up with your hands to get most of the soil off, then you can see what you're dealing with then. So you can see where the original root zone was, which is mainly gone. And if you're looking again at division, if you want to divide it to increase your numbers, then just look for some obvious positions, so where you've got some clear places to go through. So you can use your spade to go through, or your fork. Best way really is put your fork in straight down, have a spade or fork behind it. So just tuck one into your side and then push the handles together, and that is that. So then you can just continue and cut through the pieces that you want. Any obvious dead stuff like that, which is rotten, then put to one side and only pot up sort of the nice, decent, strong bits. So that's what we're going to do now, divide it up. So been fairly ruthless, divide it all up into some obvious lumps. Anything that's rubbish, all on one side there, we're not too worried about. Even these small pieces, you'll be able to stick them all in a pot and keep them. Where you've got sort of old sections like that, or older taproot, you can try and snap them one-handed. There, so get rid of that old root. So that's not going to do anything for you. and then that gives you some nice viable pieces to pot up, and then it's a case of whether you want to pot up into smaller pots, so something like 10.5 centimetre pot or 13 centimetre pot, which is 1 litre, is ideal to establish the plants again. Or you know, if it's in a place that you want, then you can obviously replant elsewhere, but say for me, I'm just going to pot them up. Right, first things first, so I'm just using 10.5 centimetre pot, a little bit of fresh compost in the base. Just make sure you get that nice and clean, and probably should have used one that I could handle nicely. Let's get a shot of that. Right, you can just sit that into the pot, and then backfill around it, and quite frankly these will all get away easily, and you'll probably find that within, I don't know, a month that you'll have some nice plants with decent root structures on, and yeah, they'll be good to go then. So otherwise, alternatively, just plant them in situ. So that's that one done. Just got the others to go now. So that's most of them potted up, just got a couple more to go, and then yeah, like I say, another couple of weeks this should be good to go. Right, so here we are, about 3.5 weeks on from where I did the lifting. As you can see, they're all taken quite nicely. Not too much sign of root, a little bit of a small fibrous, not too much, but they're good to go. So yeah, nice easy way to lift, divide and bulk up your numbers of geranium. So thanks for watching the video, hope you found it interesting. Yeah, like I say, you've still got a bit of time on your hands. If you've got any well, I suppose easy basic perennials that need lifting, dividing, moving, yeah, so it's yeah, it's always a relatively easy way to bulk up your numbers, and well, I suppose either give some plants to friends, family, or just to put them elsewhere around the garden. Anyway, if you got any questions and you're not quite sure, just give me a message, and I'll give you some advice or get back to you on what you're thinking. Please subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and just have fun in the garden, especially now the weather's turning. So hopefully see you all soon, and yeah, bye for now.